How you doing? I'm Nick Dean. You haven't gotten rid of me yet? A lot of questions about these pivot kits for the Outlaw Bandit. I don't know what you're doing that you're damaging your pivot kits, but it's strange, so stop it. But actually don't stop it. Keep on buying these pivot kits that are replacement that you can get from Supply Co site. It comes in 2 pieces a side. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So, first off, you need a flathead. Watch this. This is magic. Counterclockwise to loosen, right? Whew. See that? Did you see that? I caught that all in one go. Cut that off, boom. That's the shield. So there's another little mystery here. If they made it any fucking smaller, I'd need my glasses. So, boom. You see that? That's raw. That's vulnerable right there. When you get the pivot kit, you're gonna have all these pieces. Zoom in on that motherfucker. That's the pivot kit. These two go on the outside. This goes on the inside. Don't fuck that up. You understand? Are you fucking paying attention? Stop looking at your fucking phone and look what I'm doing, okay? I know, this seems kind of boring, but it's not. Line it up, screw that back in, all the way till it's tight. This is the tricky part. You see where the shield is? You see how it fits? Make sure you line it up. It's like a fucking puzzle. Put that back on there like that. See this? This has a little notch in it. This is where you put it. If you can't figure it out, I like to do the circle. Okay, so now, get a flathead. Put this back in there like this. And what way do we turn, kids? I didn't fucking hear you. I'm not gonna turn it anymore until you tell me. All the way till we're tight. Boom, we're done. We're off riding. Thank you for coming by. I really appreciate you guys, I really do. Visit Gastown Supply Co if you need your pivot kits, your fog lenses, everything. Bye.